make sure to call us on 0391330111 en guess wat? Ons gaan die phone antwoord. Nou vandag is alles oor mondgesondheid en hoe beter om die dag te vier as om met ons dokters te praat. We've got Dr. Basir as well as Dr. Sadiq in the house and they will be telling us a bit more about their jobs and keeping our mouths clean. Welcome to the show.
Thank you for having us.
It's always a pleasure. Okay, so you guys are dentists,
yes,
qualified dentists.
Yeah.
Now, Dr. Basir, can you tell us exactly what a dentist is and what a dentist does?
Well, basically a dentist, we try and prevent the tooth decay process, which is a very prevalent disease in our country, in society as a whole. So we try and motivate and educate the people and the patients on how to brush, the oral hygiene instructions, and educate them to brush at least twice a day, once in the morning and one at night, and then flossing as well as the mouth rolls. Yeah.
Oh wow, definitely that is really a good thing to do because I mean most South Africans don't really get into the times that we need to actually brush our teeth. But going over to you, Dr. Sadiq, what qualifications do I then need to have? Let's say I want to go into the dentistry industry.
Okay, so basically you have to have your matric pure mathematics, physical science, chemistry, and life sciences. So that is the main subjects that you
So you have to know what you want to study before you actually go to high school, what you want to be one day.
Yes.
And you know, biology though, it's a lot of that's a lot of studying, babe. And you got your physics, your pure maths with those angles, acute. Oh, it's a lot. But you still love it at the end of the day. And can you guys tell me what is it that you love most about your job, Dr. Basir?
Well, the most important thing is being able to improve someone's self-confidence, their self-esteem by changing the smile, improving the smile.
Yeah.
And obviously, you know, that toothache that you get in the middle of the night, you can't sleep for the whole night. We relieve that pain the next morning, and that's one of the best feelings to get.
Wow. And you, Dr. Sadiq?
Well, basically just...
You just love working with your patients?
I love working with patients, especially when the patients are very, very fearful of coming to the dentist. And they come for their 6-month, checkup. And so as soon as they come in and they come in willingly, that's a win-win for me.
That's a win-win, And how do you guys deal with like little kids that come to dentists? And you know kids are really scared of dentists. Like they just hear they're going to dentists and they want to cry and stamp and things. So how do you deal with those little ones, Dr. Basir?
Well, we were all there at one stage in our lives. We're all scared of the dentist. And that's why when we opened our practice now recently, we decided to make it child-friendly. Okay, we have a kiddies room, we've got play area, we've got TVs in the dental room to play their favorite movies while we're treating them. So it puts them at ease nicely. And we don't go straight for the treatment. We first talk to them nicely, how's school, how is everything going in their lives, and then we slowly introduce the small little instruments. We don't go straight with that
they're like, okay, hey, this is what's going to go into your tooth?
No. Definitely not. So we go slowly.
You go slowly into it, and how do you deal with it? You're female, so you know we always soft about everything.
We have to ask them lots of questions. What are your friends' names, so that they actually have to think. It takes their mind off it completely. And also reward them. So like if they do a good job and they're open for you, you give them stickers. You ask them to choose an emoticon sticker. You blow up a balloon for them. So that's also what we do.
No, definitely. This is actually an exciting job. Okay, a lot of work and effort in studying. So how would you guys encourage the youth out there to actually get into studying dentistry, getting into it? Because most of us, we think mathematics, life science, and no, but how do you actually encourage the youth to go out there and study these things?
Well, basically, the saying goes, if you enjoy what you do, you'll never work a day in your life. And that's what we're experiencing. So if you have a passion for helping people, it's very important to understand that it's not about the daily work, it's about enjoying what you do. So I would tell the people out there that, if you're good with people skills, the hard skills will come eventually.
It will come, but if you love it, you'll come.
There we go.
You, Dr. Sadiq?
The same thing what Dr. Basir basically said. And you have to have a love for people. Because that's the main thing, If you're going to treat somebody bad, they're not going to come back to you. So you have to have that. You have to have skills to talk to the children as well and explain to them what's happening. So that's basically.
Oh wow, thank you so much. You guys have been absolutely amazing. We're going to have this chat a bit later on. Yes. But there you go, boys and girls. Do make sure that if you love something, go all out for it, because you will be the greatest when you believe in yourself. It's time for a quick commercial break.